Hi there, students. A junket. And there's a verb as well, to junket. I think nowadays this is a word used by the Americans. This is a trip or an official business trip which is expensive and has been paid for by company money or by public money. So the senator went on a junket to a Pacific island for a month. Yeah, he took frequent junkets with his friend to exotic places. Okay, so it's like a junket is a pleasure trip, but normally this junket is a pleasure trip paid for by the government or paid for by your company or paid for by your boss. Yeah. Let's see. In British English, junket, they don't use really junket for this. I think the only meaning for junket is a type of sweetened milk that's been set, but this is really old-fashioned and nobody eats junket anymore. So nowadays, to junket, American, to go on a junket, to go on an extravagant trip, an extravagant outing, yeah, at the expense of the public purse, yeah. So if somebody uses the word junket, they're being critical. They're saying somebody's spending public money and having a really good time on it. Yeah, it's effectively a pleasure trip, which is for the purposes of business, but at the public expense or paid for by somebody else. So yeah, I would love to be sent on a junket to Hawaii for a couple of weeks surfing, or maybe a nice junket to somewhere in Latin America, or yeah, a junket to India would be very nice, with obviously the government paying. Yeah. Okay, so let's see. A junket, taken a trip at official at public expense, or a junket as well. If somebody's trying to get your business or an agency, yeah, and they're trying to get favor or get you to choose their product over everyone else's product. This is a junket. Okay, so formality. You see, in British English, I wouldn't use this. In American English, yes. I think I'm going to give it a 5.5 in formality. Use more or less anywhere, a touch more on the formal side. And as to origin, let's see. There's a Middle English word, junket, yeah, which is a basket made of rushes, yeah, juncus in Latin, a rush or a reed. But this junket was also a type of food or a feast or a banquet, yeah, and this in the early 19th century or mid 19th century in the US changed to a business trip or a party or entertainment. So a junket, a pleasure trip, yeah, enjoyment, which is supposedly for business purposes, but is actually for to have fun and is paid for by someone else, particularly when paid for by the government. So yeah, I think I would definitely love to go on a junket somewhere exotic, an all expenses paid tour of Asia and the Far East, or the Middle East would be very nice as well. Yeah, I should be so lucky though. Okay, so anyway, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Junket, a junket to junket.